Okay, for today and tomorrow's lessons, you have two things you're going to be completing. And if you go to the very bottom of your lesson, I've left substitute lessons, and you have the ability to click on these to be able to get you directly to the websites you need to go to. On the first day, you're going to complete the Mitosis web quest. We're going to be using, again, the websites that I showed you in class on Tuesday. You're going to click right here on this one, control click, and that will open up the web quest you're going to be doing. Now, on this web quest activity, you will receive a handout from the substitute, and the handout from the substitute is going to give you the question answer sheets that you're going to be using for the web quest. So you don't actually have to go in and do anything with this. All I need you to do is go to Part A, where it says Cell Growth and Mitosis, and click on Cell Division. When you click on that, it's going to take you to this website. And if you notice on the paper right here, Part A, you have two questions that you're going to answer. Remember to use complete sentences for answering these questions. You'll work your way through this. Once you're done with that, you scroll down and you go to Meiosis, Part B, Meiosis. You click on that one, and again, you've already used this website before, so you can use the narrated or the step through. I recommend the step through because it's going to be allowing you to look for the answers in the questions. So you click on the step through, and when you click on that, it's going to take you through step by step, and you answer the questions for Meiosis. Go to Part C. On Part C, what you're going to do is you're going to be making a Venn diagram like this right here. Remember that both A and B in the middle part of it are where they are compared. That means they're the same. And A and B on the sides of them where they're different. And over here it gives you the information that you're supposed to use to make the Venn diagram. To do this, I would suggest that you just turn your paper over and put it directly on the back and draw your Venn diagram in a neat format on the back. Continue this throughout the remainder of it, clicking on the cancer and mitosis section here for some real life situation as far as mitosis, and also cell cycle and cancer down here at the very bottom, and it'll take you through. At the very bottom, you will notice a section, not on this one, I'm sorry, it's on the other one. So that's going to be the work you're going to do for Thursday. After you get done with that work on Thursday, then you'll turn that into your substitute. If you do not get done with it, please understand that your behavior during class is going to determine whether or not it's due on Monday or if I will give you some extra time. So if the substitute gives you a good report and more time is needed, I will gladly give you more time. However, if I get a bad report for the substitute and they say you basically refuse to work, at that point everything's due on Monday. Now we go to the second part of the lesson for Friday, and on Friday you're going to be doing a computer activity also. On this computer activity, you're going to complete the Meiosis activity. You're going to click on Meiosis activity here. You'll receive a paper copy which you are able to record your answers. This follows the format which you have recently used. So in other words, the website we've already used for you doing your tutorials, now you're going to use to answer questions for. So now it's sort of a reverse process. So you click on the Meiosis activity here. And for this one, all you have to do is click on the websites. So control click on this one. In some cases, it may take a few seconds, up to 30 seconds to load up. Give it time, it will do it. You have different tabs, and it'll tell you on your paper when you use the different tabs. Again, use the information given, write in complete sentences. Once you get done with that section, you go back, scroll through until you come to the second one, and again, click, go to the website, use the website to answer the questions. This is the one that when you get to the very bottom of it, at the very end, you see this part that says click on the URL, and it's Biology in Motion. That website will not work, and in fact, I deleted it off of your answer guide. Again, this is due also. It should be turned in on Friday. I will give the exception of the fact if we have a substitute situation in which you guys do a good job in class. If we don't have a good job going on in class, and we have problems and everything, and the substitutes indicate that you didn't want to work very hard, then I would expect all work to be due on Monday for both of these activities. Okay, if you have any questions and you need to be able to ask questions for it, on Monday we can talk about them at that time. All right, so those are your assignments for the substitute for Thursday and Friday's class. Thank you.